So let me see, we have 40 centimeters. So we are ready to do our first single fold. So we're going to imagine that this is divided into thirds. So we have the first, third, the second, and the last one. And what I'm going to do is to fold the first third over the second one and the last one over the other two. But before folding, please make sure that the seam is facing you. Okay, so we're not going to use this side, we're going to use this one facing us. So we are making sure that the batter is fully enclosed into our dough. Let's brush any excess of dry flour. Let's check again that we have 40 centimeters long. Okay, and let's go for the first third over the second one, press down, and the last third over the other two, and press down. That's it. First single fold. So if you cut the dough now, you are not going to have 3 layers anymore, you're going to get 9. 9 is not enough. We are going to do another single fold right after the first one. So basically I'm going just to rotate the dough, and now I'm going to pretend we have a book in front of us. So the opening side should be on your right or on your left, but don't keep it on the top, because then with the rolling pin it's going to be quite difficult to roll. So make sure that the opening side of your dough is on your right. And now again, with a rolling pin, starting from the middle, I'm going to roll